If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. When we talk about vibrational energy, we're talking about the frequency at which we're operating in the world. It's the energy that we're putting out into the universe, and it's what attracts certain experiences, people, and situations into our lives. The significance of vibrational energy lies in its ability to shape our experiences and realities. It's the reason why some people seem to effortlessly attract abundance, joy, and success, while others struggle to get by. Many of us have misconceptions about vibrations. We think that they're some kind of magical, mystical force that we can't control, or that they're only relevant to spiritual gurus and mystics. But the truth is, vibrations are a natural part of our everyday lives. We're constantly emitting energy, whether we're aware of it or not. And when we're not aligning our energy with what we want, we can end up struggling to get what we desire. A lot of people try to control their outer circumstances, but they neglect to address the energy that's driving those circumstances in the first place. When we're in a low vibrational state, we can feel stuck, frustrated, and unhappy. We might try to force things to happen, or we might give up altogether. But when we're in a high vibrational state, we feel inspired, motivated, and empowered. We start to see opportunities everywhere, and we feel like we can tackle anything that comes our way. The problem is, many of us don't know how to intentionally raise our vibration, so we get stuck in a cycle of negativity and struggle. One of the biggest misconceptions about vibrations is that they're only about positive thinking. We think that if we just think happy thoughts, everything will magically work out. But the truth is, our thoughts are only half the equation. Our feelings play a huge role in our vibrational frequency, and if we're not acknowledging and releasing our negative emotions, we're never going to be able to raise our vibration. A lot of people are stuck in a cycle of toxic positivity, where they're pretending to be happy on the surface but secretly feeling miserable inside. The science behind vibrations is actually pretty fascinating. When we have a thought or feeling, it sends a signal to our brain, which then sends a signal to our body. This signal is what raises or lowers our vibrational frequency. When we're thinking positive thoughts and feeling good emotions, our brain is sending a signal to our body that says, "Hey, I'm feeling good. Let's raise our vibration." And when we're thinking negative thoughts and feeling bad emotions, our brain is sending a signal that says, "Hey, I'm feeling bad. Let's lower our vibration." It's a constant cycle of energy flow, and it's what determines the reality that we experience. For example, let's say you're thinking about a specific goal that you want to achieve. If you're thinking about it in a way that's fearful or anxious, you're going to lower your vibration and repel that goal. But if you're thinking about it in a way that's excited and hopeful, you're going to raise your vibration and attract it. It's not just about the thoughts themselves, it's about the emotions that we're feeling as we think those thoughts. Let's take another example. Let's say you're in a relationship that's not serving you. If you're feeling resentful and angry, you're going to lower your vibration and attract more negativity into that relationship. But if you're feeling compassionate and understanding, you're going to raise your vibration and attract more positivity. It's all about the energy that we're putting out into the world. The key insight here is that by consciously raising our vibration, we can manifest our desires and improve our reality significantly. It's not about forcing things to happen or trying to control the outcome. It's about aligning our energy with what we want and letting the universe do the rest. When we're in a high vibrational state, we're like a magnet for positivity and abundance. We start to see opportunities everywhere, and we feel like we're living in flow with the universe. By raising our vibration, we can overcome the limitations that are holding us back. We can break free from negative patterns and habits, and we can start creating the life that we truly desire. It's not always easy, but it's definitely possible. And when we make it a priority to maintain a high vibrational state, we start to see miracles happen in our lives. In summary, the key to shaping our reality is not about controlling our outer circumstances, it's about aligning our energy with what we want. It's about raising our vibration and becoming a magnet for positivity and abundance. Remember, it's all about the energy that we're putting out into the world. Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy, this is physics. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with vibrational energy in the comments below. If you're curious about manifestation techniques, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be diving deeper into the strategies that have worked for me.